Can you stop playing video games and trying to watch? Because I got my friend right here. What? Why? Why are you gasping? Like, oh my god, like it's just an F word. You're gonna tell mom or something? What? Staring at me. I'm out. Ugh. People staring at me. Look at the TV. Why did you close the TV? I was gonna watch. It takes forever to turn this on. Finally, get the remote. Who smokes in the house? This is such a disaster. It's it's not turning on. And what? Friend. Yeah, I know it's super duper funny. Friend. What? What do you want? I forgot what I want. Oh yeah, the TV's not turning on. Help. No, I'm not gonna help with anything. I'm just joking. Come on, let's see what is the problem? Whoa! I'm good with you. Alright, so what is the problem again? The TV won't turn on. Look, it's still off. And I literally just pressed it so many times and it won't come on. See? Just try it out. Here you go. That remote is all yours. Let's see if it actually works or not. I'm lying like every day. What? Little sister, come here! What is the problem? Oh, why are you sitting like that? Coming, I guess. The TV won't turn on. Yeah, it won't turn on. Oh, really? Have you pressed the button? Yeah, stupid. It's just all your fault. Have you tried doing like there? Oh, I knew that.